एग्जाम शक्ति चैनल आपको स्वागत। दयाकोरी वीडियो संपूर्ण देखो और आम चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब करूँ। यह हूँ कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटाल द्वितीय क्लास। आपने प्रथम क्लास वीडियो देखी ना ताले आम चैनल जाई देखी दिंतु। आसतु आज आम कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटाल 100टी बछा बछा क्वेश्चन करवा। चलते आरंभ करवा। What is the maximum number of columns that can be inserted into a Microsoft Word table? A 32, B 55, C 63, D 75. Answer of C 63. Next question. What are the minimum requirement for a table structure in a Word document? आसन देखिबा 1 row and 1 column, 2 row and 1 column, 1 row and 2 column, 2 row and 2 column. Answer habo A. Which keyboard shortcut is used to insert the copyright symbol in MS Word? Alt plus Ctrl plus S, Alt plus Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus Shift plus C, Alt plus Shift plus C. Answer habo B. Next question. To insert a registered trademark symbol using the keyboard, which shortcut should be used? Alt plus Ctrl plus T, Ctrl plus Shift plus R, Alt plus Ctrl plus R, Alt plus Shift plus R. Answer about C. Which keyboard shortcut insert a new paragraph in MS Word? Shift plus Enter, Ctrl plus Enter, Enter, Alt plus Enter. Answer about C. Enter. What is the maximum number of characters that can be contained within a single cell? 255, 1024, 32,767, 64,000. Answer about C. 32,767. By default, how many sheets are included in a new Excel 2016 workbook? 3, 2, 1, 5. Answer about C. 1. What is the allowable zoom range for a worksheet in Microsoft Excel? 10% to 200%, 10% to 400%, 0% to 500%, 25% to 400%. Answer about B. 10% to 400%. Which keyboard shortcut invokes flash fill to automatically fill data based on a pattern? Answer about asun देखिबा Ctrl plus F, Ctrl plus Shift plus F, Ctrl plus E, Ctrl plus Alt plus F. Answer about C. Ctrl plus E. All formulas in Microsoft Excel must begin with which character? Plus, percentage, at the rate, is equal to. Answer haba C is equal to. Which function key is used to create a chart of the current data range in a separate chart sheet? Answer haba asan dekhiba F1, F2, F11, F5. Answer haba C, F11. In the formula bar, which shortcut circle through absolute, relative and mixed cell reference? F2, F3, F4, F5. Answer about C, F4. Which new 2016 chart type is also commonly referred to a ring chart? Tree map, sunburst, waterfall, histogram. Answer about B, sunburst. What is the specific name for each individual page within a PowerPoint presentation? Document, sheet, slide, frame. Answer about C, slide. By default, in which page orientation are PowerPoint slide laid out? Portrait, landscape, vertical, column. Answer about B, landscape. Which view displays slide as a thumbnail and is the preferred view for rearranging slide order? Slide master, normal view, slide sorter, note page. Answer about C, slide sorter. Which tab is used to choreograph the movement as a specific element on a slide? Transition, animation, design, slideshow. Answer habo B. Animation. Which tab defines the movement effect that occur when moving from one slide to the next slide? Animation, transition, slideshow, preview. Answer habo B. Transition. Where should a user make a change if they want a specific image to appear automatically on every slide? Slide shutter, slide master, design template, hangout master. Answer habo B. Slide master ame kon kari pariba na logo इत्यादि automatically insert kari pariba. Next, during a presentation, which keyboard key is used to immediately exit the slideshow? Spacebar, enter, escape, and answer habo C. Escape key entry kale ame kon habo na PowerPoint ro slideshow ta exit he jibo. Which shortcut key is used to navigate the ribbon directly to the insert tab using the keyboard? Alt plus H, Alt plus G, Alt plus N, Alt plus S. Answer habo C. Alt plus N. What is the default page setup orientation for a note page, outline, and a hangout? Answer habo asun dekhiba landscape, portrait, horizontal, grid. Answer habo B. Portrait mode. Under which ribbon tab are the new slide and layout to command found? Insert, design, home, view. Answer habo C. Home. In a Microsoft Access table, what is a horizontal row called? Field, record, column, table. Answer habo B. Record. In MS Access, a vertical column in a table is referred to as a record, field, spurious tuple relation. Answer habo B. Field. Which of the following is not a fundamental object type in Microsoft Access? Table, worksheet, query, report. Answer habo B. Worksheet. What is the primary function of a query in MS Access database? To print data only, to view, change, and analyze data, to access the internet, to create logos. Answer habo B. Which of the following must be unique within a Microsoft Access database? Record content, table name, character name, field values. Answer habo B. Table name. Next question. Which operation involves copying a backup file from storage back into the computer? Save, restore, upload, format. Answer habo B. Restore. What is a computer primarily designed to do? Store physical document only, execute application and provide solution, operation without hardware component, replace the need for a software program. Answer habo B. Execute application and provide solution. What two components combine to allow a computer system to function? Change and cables, input and output, hardware and software, monitor and printer. Answer habo C. Hardware and software. Which component is defined as the physical equipment like the cage, storage device, and keyboard? Software, hardware, operating system, application. Answer habo B. Hardware. What is the role of the operating system within a computer system? To perform specific use function like calculation, to act as the physical storage medium, to instruct the computer how to operate, to serve as a high level programming language. Answer habo C. According to the information processing cycle, what is the correct order of an event? Process, input, output, storage, input process output storage storage input process output ना input output process storage आंसर हम B फास्ट हम input तापर हम process तापर हम output तापर हम storage which unit is considered the brain of the computer input unit output unit central processing unit memory unit अब central processing unit by CPU which of the following is not a core component of the CPU arithmetic logical unit control unit memory unit hard disk drive answer about D hard disk drive every task given to a computer follow which specific cycle IO cycle IPO cycle CPU cycle VDU cycle answer about B IPO cycle which CPU component is responsible for performing all types of data processing operation control unit monitor central processing unit scanner answer about C central processing unit by CPU the CPU is responsible for storing which three elements electricity hardware and software data intermediate result and instruction input device output device and cables program app and monitor answer about B which unit create a link between the user and the computer logic section input unit arithmetic section secondary storage answer about B input unit what is the main function of a input unit display process data storage immediately result translate information into a form understandable by the computer control the operation of all parts answer about C which unit is responsible for holding data and instruction during processing control unit arithmetic logical unit memory unit output unit answer about C memory unit which type of memory does a processor access fast or directory secondary memory primary memory auxiliary memory backup memory answer about B primary memory RAM stand for read access memory random access memory rapid access memory remote access memory answer haba B random access memory RAM is categorized as which type of memory non volatile volatile permanent auxiliary answer haba B volatile memory आपण माने कमेंट करंतु non volatile memory कोटा what happened to data in RAM when the computer is shut down it is saved to the hard disk automatically it is permanently stored the RAM loses all data it is moved to ROM answer about C RAM loses all data why were a programming language developed to make a computer physically larger to make a computer machine functional to cool down vacuum tube to replace hardware component answer about B to make a computer machine function computer network enable computer to share which three things hardware chassis and cables research data and application monitor printer and scanner only electricity internet and power answer about B resource data and application how can a computer network be mainly categorized by their speed by their size by their color by their price answer of B by their size what does LAN stand for local area network long area network light area network logical area network answer of A local area network LAN is a group of a computer connect in a small area such as a country a building or a office a whole state, the entire world. Correct answer haba kono? Answer B. Which communication media are used to connect a computer in a LAN? Satellite link only, twistor pair and coaxial cable, fiber optics only, telephone line only. Answer haba B. Which shortcut display file menu option in current program? Alt plus E, Alt plus F, Control plus F, Control plus A. Answer haba B, Alt plus F. Which shortcut key display edit option in current program? Alt plus F, Alt plus E, Control plus E, Control plus C. Answer haba B, Alt plus E. Next question. What is the shortcut to select all text? Control S, Control plus A, Alt plus A, Shift plus A. Answer haba B, Control plus A. Which protocol is responsible for managing error and control message in a network? TCP, IP, ICMP, HTTP. Answer haba C, ICMP. What does the acronym ISDN stand for? Integrated Service Dynamic Network, International Subscriber Dial-up Network, Integrated Service Digital Network, Internal System Data Network. Answer haba C. How many layers are present in the TCP IP model? 4, 5, 7, 3. Answer haba A, 4 model. What type of ROM can be erased by exposing it to an electrical charge? PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, SRAM. Answer haba C. Which input device is capable of moving in all directions to control a pointer, often used for gaming? Trackball, light pen, joystick, digital. Answer haba C, light pen. The process of loading the operating system into the main memory is called formatting, processing, booting, saving. Answer haba C, booting. Which communication type is bidirectional but only one device can transmit at a time? Simplex, whole duplex, half duplex, multiplex. Answer haba C, half duplex. Which memory type is volatile and loses its data as soon as power is disconnected? ROM, PROM, RAM, EEPROM. Answer haba C, RAM. What was the first general purpose computer designed especially for commercial use? ENIAC, Mark I, UNIVAC, EDSAC. Answer haba C, UNIVAC. Which networking device functions especially at the physical layer of the OSI model? Repeater, bridge, router, gateway. Answer haba A, repeater. Which control is used by Acess to link data access page component to data? Microsoft Office Data Source Control, Microsoft Dynamic Data Control, Microsoft Data Connect Control, Microsoft Default Connection Control. Answer haba A. A dash is a collection of all data items pertaining to one specific entity. Field, record, form, report. Option haba B, record. Which MS Access object provide a user-friendly interface for data entry? Report, query, form, module. Answer haba C, form. Within a specific access table, which of the following must be unique? Record value, field name, font type, row number. Answer haba B, field name. Which access object type contains code written in VBA virtual basic for application. Marco module query form. Answer about B module. What feature allow a user to automate repetitive task without complex programming? Query, report, Marco, table. Answer about C Marco. A primary key is used to uniquely identify each field, record, table, database. Answer about B record. Who is recognized as the father of a computer? Conrad Hughes, John Macaulay, Charles Babbage, Tim Berners-Lee. Answer about C Charles Babbage. Which was the first general purpose programmable electronic computer began in 1943? Defense engine, Mark 1, ENIAC, UNIVAC. Answer about C ENIAC. First generation computer used which component for a circuit? Transistor, integrated chip, vacuum tube, microprocessor. Answer about C vacuum tube. Which technology replaced vacuum tube in second generation computer? VLSI, transistor, ICS, microchips. Answer about B transistor. Which specific CPU register store the immediate result of arithmetic and logical operation? Program counter, induction register, accumulator, memory address register. Answer about C accumulator. What unit is used to measure the output speed of a printer? DPI, PPM, flop, MIPS. B have a PPM. Page per minute. How many layers are defined on the OSI module? 4, 5, 7, 9. Answer about C 7. Which communication mode allow both devices to transmit and receive data simultaneously? Simplex, half duplex, full duplex, unidirectional. Answer about C full duplex. Which of the following is not a legitimate type of a computer virus? Boot virus, file infector virus, hangout virus, macro virus. Answer about C hangout virus. What is the term masquerading as a trustworthy entity to acquire sensitive info like password? Spoofing, phishing, pharming, encryption. Answer about B phishing. Which CPU register contains the address of the next instruction to be processed? Instruction register, memory address register, program counter, accumulator. Answer about C program counter. What type of a memory is non-volatile and retain it contains when power is turned off? RAM, SRAM, ROM, cache. Answer about C ROM. Which device read characters by examining their shape in a matrix form, providing high security for a bank? OMR, OCR, MICR, BCR. Answer about C MICR. A spoofing attack is characterized by stealing hardware, classifying data to represent oneself another, sending massive spam, physical shoulder suffering. Answer about B. Fourth generation computer saw the introduction of which is circuit technology? Transistor, integrated chip, VLSI, vacuum tube. Answer about C VLSI. Very large scale integration. Which protocol is responsible for managing error and control message in a network? TCP, IP, ICMP, HTTP. Answer about C ICMP. What does the acronym ISDN stand for? Integrated Service Dynamic Network, International Subscriber Dial-up Network, Integrated Service Digital Network, International System Data Network. Answer habo C. How many layers are present in the TCP IP module? Answer habo देखिबा आसंतु 4 5 7 3. Answer habo 4. What type of a ROM can be erased by exposing it to an electrical charge? PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, SRAM. Answer habo C. EEPROM. Which input device is capable of moving in all directions to control a pointer often used for games? Trackball, light pen, joystick, digitizer. Answer habo C. Joystick. The process of loading the operating system into the main memory is called formatting, processing, booting, saving. Answer habo C. Booting. Which communication type is bidirectional but only one device can be transmitted at a time? Simplex, full duplex, half duplex, multiplex. Answer habo C. Half duplex. Which memory type is volatile and loss its data as soon as power is disconnect? ROM, PROM, RAM, EEPROM. Answer habo C. RAM. What was the first generational procedural computer designed especially for commercial use? ENIAC, Mark 1, UNIVAC, EDSAC. Answer habo C. Which networking device function especially at the physical layer of OSI module? Repeater, bridge, router, gateway. Answer habo A. Which control is used by Acess to link data access page component to data? Microsoft Office Data Resource Control, Microsoft Dynamic Data Control, Microsoft Data Connection Control, Microsoft Default Connection Control. Answer habo A. A dash is a collection of all data items pertaining to one specific entry, field, record, form, repeat. Answer habo B. Record. Which MS Access object provide a user-friendly interface for a data entry? Report, query, form, module. Answer habo C. Form. Within a specific access table, which of the following must be unique? Record value, field name, font type, row number. Answer habo B. Field name. Which access object type contain code written in VBA? Macro, module, query, form. Answer habo B. Module. What feature allow a user to automate repetitive task without complex programming? Query, report, macro, table. Answer habo C. Macro. A primary key is used to unique identifying each field, record, table, database. Answer habo B. Record. बर्तमान आमर 104 क्वेश्चन सरला एथरु किछि क्वेश्चन रिपीट अछि आपण माने वीडियो को संपूर्ण देखिथिबारु आपण मानको धन्यवाद आपण माने पीडीएफ एग्जाम शक्ति चैनल रो टेलीग्राम चैनल रो पाई परिबे धन्यवाद।